Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best strategies 5, 11, 12, and 13 up to 13.7. The first is called battery ramp, decreases charge times. So 5, 12, and 13. And for the charge your phone before work, it basically puts it in like the ultra power saver mode and disables elements iOS, so it charges as fast as it can. This is called Assistant Plus, allows anyone to easily personalize Enhanced Siri by creating custom responses, Siri commands, and custom capture group commands for more advanced use cases. Share these features. This is called Easy Authentication. Hold down an account cell to copy the authentication code and display some other details. This is called Gump. Basically, when applications run, lets applications run through resprings and springboard crashes. This is called NM Plus, and basically its animation speed fast plus, rewriting from the ground up. For the version of Animation Speed Fast Plus, lost source code of it needed a rewrite due to various issues, so basically speed up your animations. This is called Checkra1n, and basically you switch between accounts for your applications. This is called Checkra1n Lite. It's basically the same thing, just between accounts for applications. This is a free version, so you can do one app at a time. This week is actually a theme called Checkra1n, and that's what it looks like. One of my favorite tweets is called Heartbeat, and basically the ultimate jailbreak app for each one users on your network. You list all your users on your local network that's hotspot. Blocks users from connecting to the internet on your local network. Blocks users from using your hotspot network. So this actually does work on iOS 13, by the way. I did test it. This is called All-Store, jailbroken version of All-Store with on-device sign-in features. This is called LS Contacts, and basically contacts bar right from your lock screen. This theme is called Alive, and that's what it looks like. This is called Blender. This is called Tweak Excluder, also mobile substrate tweak. This is called Better Messages with Better Messages XI. Changes and added range of features to iOS 11 Messages app. Better Media Bots HD. This is called Vibe, and tell the time using vibrations. So if you want to know the time but wasn't appropriate, take out your phone. If you're watching a movie or in a date, class, in a meeting, it can be awkward or appropriate to take out your phone. Or you're a blind iPhone user who hates voiceover, or in a place where you need to be quiet. So this allows you to check the time without ever talking, instead of taking your phone out of your pocket. This is called Tab Blocker. It's able to block the opening of new tabs for specified websites. So when you try to watch a video or open certain web pages that contain a lot of ads, it gets redirected to a new tab host. Tab Blocker will ask you the web pages allowed to open new tabs or just block them. So those ads that open a new web page, it blocks those. This is called Bubble Apps, or Bubble Apps, I mean, and basically your favorite apps whenever you want, whenever you choose. This is called My Blah Ets for iOS, and it's basically an ad blocker, blocks ads, revokes, trackers, minors, and more. So after installation, your device will automatically boot back into a jailbroken state. So please open the My Blots app after reboot to continue the installation of My Blots. If you receive a must be supervised error when installing the profile, please boot or perform an LD restart and try again. So the LD restart, you guys can use power selector and try do it from there. This is called Tools, and you basically can do a bunch of I think mod or hatch features for your apps or for certain apps. This is called Perfect YouTube, various enhancements to the YouTube app. This is called Drain, and basically it tells you what tweets are using your battery the most and the least. This is called Lock Plus Pro, and the ultimate lock screen tweak. It should work on iOS 14. This is called Better Text Selection, improves the text selection in iOS, making precise selections possible. So the cursor will not automatically select entire paragraphs, prevent it from jumping around the screen. So that's an example of this. So you can see from here there. This is called Better Telegram, and it gives you a lot of various enhancements options useful for privacy improvements and aesthetic on Telegram. This is called Freemote, Brings BTTV emotes to the iOS Twitch app, Pogu. This is called CCM, iPad only, moves the control center depending on the device rotation. It's called CC Messenger, launch message from the control center. This is called CC modules, requires CC support. It's time to add third-party app modules and utility modules to the iOS control center. This is called Real CC, disables Wi-Fi from the iOS 11 Plus control center. This is called Real LPM, recreation of the Samsung Ultra Power Serial mode for iOS. These features right here. This is called Keychain Editor, CLI to dump keychains items including the new access controls, supports only ARM64, supports iOS 13.5. This is called iWhatsApp, and basically automatically responds to your WhatsApp messages. This is called Justo, just iOS 13, true multitasking.